Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 5, exercise number 10, 11 and 12. Let's start with exercise number 10. Be ready. Start. The bill ought to be paid if we owe them for the wood. May we see the book which was to be given to him. We owe him an apology for the delay in mailing the check. We ought to put the money in the bank. We shall do so if we can. May we have a copy of the bill for the wood we bought on the 5th. The name of the book Jessie bought was Making a Living. We shall go to the dock on Monday to take a look at the big ship. If we can get each of them to give 2 by 6, we shall have enough money to feed the family for a month. We think we ought to make an appeal for aid. Do we owe him a fee for doing the job? Next is exercise number 11. Be ready. Start. If they can get away, they will come to see the game. They will have to leave at 2 if they wish to see it. We shall have to pay for the damage to the boat. Money for food was being given to the family monthly. If we can aid them in any way, we ought to do so. It was too cool for bathing at the beach, so they came back to the pool. They will be leaving for Canada on the 10th of the month. They will go to Winnipeg on the 10th. The lady saw a copy of the book looking at Asia. If she can come in to see us, we can show the lady a copy of the book for which she was asking. This is the next exercise 12. Be ready. Start. We shall be lucky if we get any money for doing the job. Maybe the lunch can be given on a different day. A talk was to be given on the topic feeding the family. Eva was talking of going to Manitoba in May. If they wish to make any money, they will have to do the job in a different way. The wood was too thick. It was an inch in width, so we had to ship it back. We wish to know if it will make any difference to them if we ship the load of coal today. The change may be put into effect in May. We have no wish to make a change which will affect so many, but they have a different way of looking at it. If we can think of any way of doing the thing in a different way, we shall ask them to come in to see us. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको डिक्टेशन की स्पीड कम या ज़्यादा करनी है तो इसके लिए मैं आपको मेंशन किया है ऊपर, आप ये वाली वीडियो देखिए, इसकी मदद से आप अपना कम या ज़्यादा स्पीड पर डिक्टेशन ले सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो दीज आर द 3 एक्सरसाइजेज ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 5। आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।